Okay. Rolling again.
Okay.
So it's about, make sure you talk about how you don't have to take the blue clips off and you just have to pull down on the gray tab. Talk about that.
How come I can't see anything?
You gotta put some light on the subject.
Oh, the way I'm laying. Yeah, just take the front two blue tabs off.
Don't take them off. You don't need to.
The front two to get it off? Oh, yeah, the top gray clip.
Tab.
Yes. First,
Blue tabs don't
you take off the top gray tab, and that runs the line. Well, considering I can't see what I'm taping.
Let me finish the illustration with the pulled out bad one.
Oh, it might be better. And then that's the other one up there where you take off the top gray one. And then that's where it runs into it. And then Nick.
Yep. She's still videoing?
Yeah.
Okay. So
I'm done now, right?
you're done now. So okay, so what we were trying to point out is we learned the hard way is he thought he had to pull these two blue tips off. We did that. And it's a pain in the ass. Really all you gotta do is grasp this tab here and pull down and it'll unlock it and pull it out at the same time. Pull down on this from up above, from below. Just pull down on this. There we go.